You might have met the problem that the synced files are deleted or damaged in SD card. Do you know the reason for the issue? If not, just let this article tells you why files get deleted or corrupted after moving to SD card and how to settle the issue. Reasons for files get deleted or corrupted after moving to SD card. SD card is inserted improperly. The amount of the transferring data is too large. Some applications on your phone are incompatible with the device. System crash. How to fix data get deleted or corrupted after transferring to SD card. 1. Insert the SD card to the device properly. 2. Repair corrupted SD card. 3. Remove no media files. 4. Reduce the workload. 5. Uninstall problematic software. 6. Factory reset the device. Restore deleted or damaged data from SD card. After fixing the issue, you are free to move data on Android SD card now. But the data loss or damage would occur again for these or those reasons. And at this moment, Mobikin Android SD card recovery software can be a good assistant. It can help you to get back to broken or deleted data from SD card with several clicks. Just connect your SD card to computer with the SD card reader and launch the program. Then elect Android SD card recovery mode. When the tool detects the card, you can click on Next to begin the scanning process. Once the scan ends, all the files on the card will be categorized. Just select the file types that you want to restore to preview their contents and then tick them. Finally, just hit Recover to retrieve.